Anyway, what do you think? That's everything, right?
I'm not going all the way out. Maddie just left. Today's been a very slow, lazy day. Maddie left for the Christmas break all the way back to California this morning. Now it's a Saturday night, and I think I'm just gonna hang out and do some work. I'm getting old, man.
Nice, nice.
Well, that switched up quickly.
That's true. That's tough. Right there. Yo, Theo and I got next. Yo,
I'm so upset.
Ryan!
Dude, I'm not even wearing underwear. I was ready for this. Today's snap was not the greatest for the kid.
What day is that?
Oh, go this way.
What's up, babe?
Hey, no, I'm lucky tonight.
I took some of the shitty basketball across bet against Holy Cross. I told you that. Now must be
Dude, it's cold.
Woke up around 1 p.m. again, alarm was set for around 7 a.m.
Apparently this place is meant to be the best fast casual spot in Boston. Can confirm it's pretty f***ing good. Boom, boom, boom. Very satisfied. I think this is the Christmas present that my grandma sent me. Let's go open it. I have no idea what this is, but it says wood carving. This is so sick. Before I explain exactly what it is, I'm gonna FaceTime my grandma. Mimi, thank you so much. I literally just opened it like 10 seconds ago. Bampa, thank you so much. Okay, so let me explain what this is. Basically, this is a map of Grand Cayman, the island that I was born and raised on. And this is my house, right here. Unfortunately, this will have to get put up later, as I do not have nails right now.
So, Two Saints Tavern was cool. Pop tag up there. Yeah, yup.
Calling, the yard shack was fun.
Ryan Kirkaldy sauce, we hate him.
Where's Ollie? With the
We're gonna go back home now, right? Peace out.
We're on day... Wow. We're on day 2 of being alone in the house. Pretty much, there's only 5 of us, so... I mean, what else is there for us to do than toss a little die? It's just a beautiful Mission Hill evening with the boys playing die out here.
Cheer your cup. Die.
Wow, Zach.
Shouldn't have tried it again.
We got pizza. The pizza hasn't even gotten to us yet, and he's already trying to finesse a piece. Oh my god, Chewbacca.
Yo, you really want me to feel ill right now?
Got the sun setting. Potential game point right here.
W.
I'm sorry to my family and my friends that I let down with that performance. Put him in a coffin.